Hello guys, everybody, we're Muchavan Gadget Pro. Alright, stop scrolling just a second because these headphones might actually replace your old pair. I'm telling about the CMF Headphone Pro from nothing, and trust me, they are not just another set of wireless cans. These things are aiming straight at the big boys like Sony and Bose, but for the fraction of the price. So if you are a student pulling late night study decisions, or a young professional just looking to upgrade your work from home setup, you are wanna want to hear this. And don't skip this video till the end. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. First up, hybrid active noise cancellation. We are telling 45 decibel of noise blockout. That's a available noise reduction for under half the price of a Sony XM6. Imagine tuning out the choose in your drum or coffee shop and just vibing with your playlist or focusing on that Zoom calls without restrictions. Next, the sound. The 40 dynamic drivers are turned for deep bass and crib size. Basically, you get punchy hip hop beats, killing podcasts, and smooth jazz without that muffled flat sound you get on cheap headphones. They are high-res audio certified too, which is usually only found on much pricier. Now let's sell comfort. The memory foam ear cups lightweight built-in, you can wear this for hours without feeling like you worry heads. You know why? And of course, it's nothing, they look minimal, modern and actually stylish. Instead of looking like you were slow to your dad's office headset. Better left up to 45 hours with ANC on. That's basically a week of use for most people before you even think about charging. Oh, and just 10 minutes of fast charging gets you 8 hours of a playback. Compared to that Apple's AirPods Max, which did about 20 hours, it's not even close. They also with multi-device pairing, so you can jump between your laptop and phone without finding. There's a transparency mode if you need to hire someone calling your name, or the barista skin if you still want to atom milk. So here's the deal. Sony and Bose are still king of ANC, but at around $79 and $99 the CMF Headphones Pro gives you 80% of the premium experience at the like 40% of the price. For most people, that's smarter buy. So what do you think? Are you rolling with the CMF Headphone Pro as your next upgrade, or are you sticking with the big brands? Drop your picks in the comments because I wanna see how many of you are ready to ditch the overpriced headphones. Thanks for watching more video. Don't forget to like and if you want to more gadget videos, to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more on gadget videos.